What is the capital city of Egypt? Beirut, Cairo, Mecca, Memphis. The correct answer is Cairo. What strait lies between the US and Russia? Bosporus Strait, Malacca Strait, Bering Strait, Gibraltar Strait. The correct answer is Bering Strait. Who wrote the novel To Kill a Mockingbird? J.D. Salinger, Mark Twain, Harper Lee, F. Scott Fitzgerald. The correct answer is Harper Lee. What is the title of the autobiography written by musician Elton John? Honest John, What Happened? Me. Many Years From Now. The correct answer is Me. In what season did Adonis die in Greek mythology? Fall, winter, spring, summer. The correct answer is fall. Which sultan ordered the conversion of the Hagia Sophia into a mosque? Mehmed IV, Mehmed the Conqueror, Selim I, Suleiman the Magnificent. The correct answer is Mehmed the Conqueror. The world's largest cut emerald, the Gachala emerald, weighs approximately 500 carats, 10 carats, 1,000 carats, 100 carats. The correct answer is 1,000 carats. What is the Aigawan station known for? Serving as a base camp for climbers, offering a direct route to the Aiga summit, providing scenic views of the Aiga North Face, being the highest railway station in Europe. The correct answer is providing scenic views of the Aiga North Face. The Indian Ocean is known for its trade routes. Which historical trade route connected the Indian Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea? Spice route, Incense route, Silk Road, Trans-Saharan trade route. The correct answer is Spice route. The Pulitzer Prize for Music was first awarded in which year? 1943, 1917, 1980, 1967. The correct answer is 1943. Which country calls Quito its capital city? El Salvador, Ecuador, Eritrea, Chile. The correct answer is Ecuador. Which number comes right after 11 in the prime parade? 23, 19, 17, 13. The correct answer is 13. Kajukenbo, a hybrid fighting style, was born in which country? Brazil, Canada, Japan, United States. The correct answer is United States. What's the playful name for a group of mice? A mischief, a dropping, a prickle, a grumble. The correct answer is a mischief. Who designed the Shard in London? Richard Rogers, Zaha Hadid, Renzo Piano, Norman Foster. The correct answer is Renzo Piano. Mammatus clouds form from the clash of moisture and sunlight, warm air and cold air, ocean currents and atmospheric pressure, wind and precipitation. The correct answer is warm air and cold air. Braille challenge. What symbol marks a new paragraph in Braille writing? Asterisk, period, capital sign, comma. The correct answer is comma. How do you say hello in Portuguese? Hola, hola, konnichiwa, bonjour. The correct answer is hola. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch drifts in which part of the Pacific? North Pacific Gyre, West Pacific Gyre, South Pacific Gyre, East Pacific Rise. The correct answer is North Pacific Gyre. Which color models let you tweak image brightness? HSV, neither. Both HSL and HSV. HSL. The correct answer is both HSL and HSV. Rosso is the capital of which country? Haiti, Dominica, Chile, Jamaica. The correct answer is Dominica. State nicknames. Which U.S. state is proudly known as the Free State? Maryland, Vermont, Ohio, New Hampshire. The correct answer is Maryland. Classic reads. Which novel tells the story of the French Revolution and Sidney Carton's ultimate sacrifice for love? A Tale of Two Cities, Les Miserables, The Scarlet Pimpernel, The Hunchback of Notre Dame. The correct answer is A Tale of Two Cities. Greek mythology. Which Titan was the grandfather of the Oceanids? Coeus, Uranus, Atlas, Hyperion. The correct answer is Uranus. Renaissance genius. What was Leonardo da Vinci's nationality? Spanish, German, Italian, French. The correct answer is Italian. Ancient religions. In which century did Manichaeism reach its peak before declining? 7th century CE, 1st century CE, 3rd century CE, 5th century CE. The correct answer is 3rd century CE. Which is the largest animal ever known, found in the Atlantic? Killer whale, blue whale, beluga whale, humpback whale. The correct answer is blue whale. DNA time. Which four bases are found in DNA? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. Adenine, uracil, cytosine, thymine. Adenine, guanine, uracil, thymine. The correct answer is adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Who is the only driver to win the World Championship in the hybrid era with a team other than Ferrari, McLaren, or Mercedes? Daniel Ricciardo, Jenson Button, Max Verstappen, Nico Rosberg. The correct answer is Max Verstappen. Which color is most famously linked with emeralds? Blue, green, yellow, red. The correct answer is green.